looked up and Simon said, "See, now the computer's rolling the dice for me." Can you explain what happened? These are the results of manually rolling the dice.
So I did the experiment both yesterday, what's in black, and today, which is what's in blue. So yesterday I did 50, and today I did 50. And I did some analysis on it. On Mind Decisions, there's this particular video. This is actually the solution video. There are two videos, which explains the solution to the puzzle quickly. Like, you know, you have over here, like, this is the example. The minimum number of rules you need, theoretically, is 2. Because let's say you have 4. There's definitely no way to get a repeat in just 1 rule. But after 2 rules, it could happen. On the other, so the minimum is 2. On the other hand, the maximum is if you roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in some order. That's definitely not a repeat of 6. The whatever the next one is, that's definitely going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So we're definitely going to have a repeat in 7 rules. So the average number of rules. Now, what's the average number of rules? The expected number of rules is 3.77. So it's actually closer to this number than it is to this number.
And how is that calculated?
Well, watch the videos for your because it involves some it's a bit challenging, so I'm not gonna explain it here. Okay, but I'm gonna tell you the results of the experiment. So for the first data set,
because you decided to check it experimentally, whatever.
Yeah. So
Mind Your Decision proved theoretically.
So for the first data set, I got values ranging between 2 and 6, which is not too bad. And I got an average of 3.70. Okay, not too bad. For the second data set, things get really crunchy because I got values ranging between 2 and 7, but the average is 4.26.
And that's your Wolfram
calculation. For both data sets combined, I got values ranging between 2 and 7, and the average is 3.98. So it's actually farther away than just the first data set.
But you probably just got lucky, right?
Yeah, I probably just got lucky in this set. You can see I got lots. For example, for instance, in the first data set, I got an equal amount of runs of 3 and runs of 4, and I got a run of 6 only once over here. Whereas with the second data set, I was really starting to get lucky more.
You got 2.
I got blocks of rounds of 6. I even got 2 rounds of 7. So, which is the maximum it could possibly be.
So then you decided it was too tedious.
I decided it was too tedious, but anyway.
And you got your little slave
just to get a little bit more exact, here's some histograms. This is the first data set. How many rules? So 7, 15, 15, 12, 1. And this is the second data set. 5, 7, 16, 16, 4, 2. And here are both data sets. 12, 22, 31, 28, 5, 2. Something a bit curious. The average is lower than 4, except there are less 3s than 5s. It looks like a paradox, but it isn't really. But we're gonna just keep going. So I decided to make a simulation.
And it'll reach 1,000 rounds pretty soon.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, let's just speed it up a bit.
Oh look, it had that average. Did you see that?
Yeah, it had that average.
Exactly.
But look, I now sped it up.
Oh, you started all over again.
Yeah, I started over again.
And you can see after how many after how many rounds, it's gonna reach that
Yes.
correct average corresponding to the theoretical calculation. It's almost there. I guess 600. Oh, but previously it was already there after 600 something. And now not, so it depends. Oh, now it was there. Look at that.
So that's my ridiculous project. By the way, I want to do quickly, just quickly. I want to do one more thing. I want to display the bar graph. So I'm gonna do that, and then I think we'll be done. Okay, so I'm gonna create a variable called choose. By the way, the reason why I have to start with an underscore is because you can't start a variable with a number, otherwise it thinks it's a number. Choose is 0. Threes 0. 4s is 0. 5s is 0. 6s is 0. And 7s is 0. If roles.length, so I'm going to have switch roles case switch length case 2 2s plus plus break. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, no. This is gonna be so much simpler with an array. So I'm gonna do numbers. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Numbers, index roles dot length -2 plus plus. And then I'm gonna just create a little bar chart. So I'm gonna So let's do 400 by 500. And then this is where I want my bar chart to appear. So I'm going to say line. Actually, this is something I should do. No stroke. Fill 0. Stroke 0. Line 50, 300. 250, 450. I don't know. I want to move it. Alright, now I got one line of my bar chart. I'm going to do the same sort of thing. But from 450 to 350, 450. Okay. Let I 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. Text. Let's see, text size 16. Text I plus 2 at so 350 minus 50 is 300. 300 divided by 6, I don't know why I'm using a calculator to do this, but it's 50. So it's 75 plus I times 50. 1 times 50, I times 50. Or 75. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I want this to be no stroke. Okay, now I got some numbers. Now I'm going to put the rectangles there. So I'm going to say fill. Let's make them. What is the standard color for a bar chart? I don't know. I'm just going to make it like fill. 128. I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to do. We'll move this way for now, and we're gonna see if this works. And I'm gonna have it have a width of, I don't know, let's do 30, and a negative height of my numbers. Index I times let's do 10. Okay, now you can see my bar chart, except I have to say fill 0 here. You can see
bar chart got out of control. I thought they will like grow higher than the computer screen
Yeah, maybe.
and start crawling around the room. What have you created?
Okay, I'm gonna fix that problem. Safe. Be safe equals I'm gonna map which goes from 0 to max dot 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 numbers index I to 0 to 100. Okay, so I'm going to say minimum of that and negative safe. Actually, no, what? Max. Uncaught type error. Dot 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 numbers. Be safe.
There you go.
Okay, it's about to get to 1500, so I added these tick marks. Yes. You saw the tick marks disappeared. You know the 1200 disappeared, the 400 disappeared. Even weirder, the 500 appeared, and it wasn't there before.
So when does it change?
It changes it when the highest bar gets to 40, 80, 150, 400, 800, 1500, 4000, 8000, 15,000, 40,000, 80,000, 150,000, and so on.
And this is where you got it? You told me. Just these few lines of code. Is this it?
Yes.